Hi, igama lami Uthando. Ngingumashonisa. I don't want to laugh about this, but yeah, ngingumashonisa. I'm gonna tell you ilanga. La bengolanda imali yami from a person obekangikolota angafuna ukungibhadala. So I had to hire people ukuthi solanda leyo mali leyo.
Sanibonani molweni, welcome to another episode of TVC Gauteng. Igama uZamambo Mkhize owaziwa ngoZamzukwana Closet on the social streets. Siyabonga emakhaya for liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing to the channel. If umusha ku channel siyakwamukela, biza umndeni nhlaleni phansi nimamele istory esinilethela zona. Don't forget ukuthi ma ucomment, comments should be respectful. If they are not, sizowadelete. Ningakhohlwa futhi to click on the notification bell so that mas upload ama episodes amasha you'll be notified of them. Thando ngicela usixoxele about ilanga la ke hamele ukuthi uyolanda imali yakho khona.
Oh, lelo langa lelo ne. All right. The person obekangikolota imali. The thing is he built trust. Like bekangisokolisi. Bokumuntu yabo. Uyaboleka bhatale kahle besingana inkinga. So iqale ngokuboleka imali encane. Okay, because trust sekayibuildile. Sifike kule mali le yokuthi manje nami sengiyabona ukuthi le ngathi izomhlulanyana but ngoba ujwayele ukubhadala.
Njani? All right then. Sure.
Ngoba ujwayele ukuyibuyisa, I didn't think it was going to be a problem. Ilanga libekile. Okay, it happened just recently.
Okay.
It was I think 2 months back.
Okay.
Yeah. So ilanga ajwayele ukubhadala ngalo. He doesn't call, he doesn't text, he just went AWOL. Ngimtext ukuthi hawu bafo. Phela namhlanje ilanga kumele ukubhadala ngalo. Blue tick, nothing. Ngimnike just maybe like 2 hours. I'm thinking he's at work or something. He's going to reply. He doesn't. I call, he doesn't answer. I text, he doesn't answer. So ngicale ngifonise my cousin. Ukuthi awungizamele lo muntu lo. Sibone ukuthi uzoyenzani.
Ngifone cousin.
Yeah, ngifone cousin. Ukuthi okay ngicela ungizamele yena. Sibone ukuthi uthini. Avela thayi ngizomnika imali yakhe because ngijwayele ukumbhadala aphume kuyi. All right. I give it a day. I give it to ayibo bafo and then hayi sekabala inkinga.
Okay.
Mina ngishonelwe mele ke ngoyenza ayibo. Angendawo mina ukuthi ushonelwe. Yes, ushonelwe kubhlungu, I understand. But imali ujwayele ukunginika. So why is it a problem now? Hayi mina ini wena I understand. I've got other commitments. Ngemali yami.
Yeah.
Unama commitments. Yazi ngizokhuluma nawe later. I'm on the road now. Okay, fine. Sengiyabona ukuthi la imali yami ngathanga ngiyithola. So the only option I have now is okay. There's bobuteng baziyo elokishini esinokusebenza nabo. Ukuthi mawunenkinga, at least one of them maybe pops up, akhulume nawe, and if you're not budging, that's when we have to go nabanye.
Okay.
Siye kubi because yena at least beyangahlali kubo. Bekarentile. So masifika, it was on a Friday. Fika ngabo 7 endlini 7 8.
Okay.
So when we get there, we get girlfriend yakhe.
Okay.
Girlfriend seya explain ake yona ukuthi hayi lo muntu lona una 3 days angafika endlini. Ngoba uyazi ukuthi ukolota abantu. Apparently I'm not the only one he owes. Shuguti what he does is he borrows from me to pay you and borrows from the other one to pay. So it becomes a cycle. So manje akasakhoni.
Okay.
Hence, imali bese kayiboleka iloku ikhuphuka because he needs to cover this one and this one to pay the others. Yeah. So when we get there, okay, so girlfriend is explainele. I'm phoning. I'm telling you ukuthi uzofika. So now you have to find people abazoyenzani. Abazomemakoneni bambheke ukuthi makafika. Sekumele scout manje sifunane naye. Sesiphenduka amarodo manje. When kube nabantu abamila and mind you those people obatholayo abafana baseKaslake obviously. So mele ku bribe umuntu ukuthi okay zakuthengele thunyana mangabe uyabhema mele umthengele something yokuthi okay but makavele at least they text or call you immediately ukuthi nawe ube alert ube duze ukuthi usheshe ufike. So sibalekile Friday, Saturday. Okay, Saturday people have their own commitments. You can't just say asambien. It's okay. Asimele ni Monday because definitely Sunday uzofika ebusuku. Monday mele ka emsebenzini. So Monday simscout ekuseni.
Okay, before I am
17 because chances are mangaphuma emsebenzini angabuya ngabuyi. And obviously ugirl sekamthipile ukuthi abantu abakanje bafikile. So mabafika umtshelile ukuthi akafika ngayi-1 ufike nabantu. So now abantu labo vele hayi uyazi now abo tall dark and scared.
Yeah.
Igora. Vele mawumbona nawe you think twice ukuthi isigora lesi or isigibingu or yini awusekho sure. Awusekho comfortable now in your own space. So we come back. Monday morning ngibaqele vele Sunday kahle ukuthi noma niphuza or nenzani ngicela ningaphuzi kakhulu because Monday kumele silandele umuntu. As early as 5:30 bese sibinga phandle.
Movie.
Kwamele because bayahlupha labantu.
Yeah.
What they don't understand enye ukuthi phela now it's your bread and butter. As much as avuka emsebenzini now umsebenzi wakho. Yeah. So we get there. I vele siyangena. Oh, we wait for the first person ukuthi because semcashweni.
Okay.
Imoto zibhakile. We wait for the first person azovula igate ahamba emsebenzini.
Yeah.
So at least maqeda ukuvula igate sokwazi ukungena. Ngoba ngeke sijumpa ama-fence. Yabona ama-fence manje abantu sebafaka. Yeah. Ayavula igate uba 4:06 ophumayo aphume. Ukuphuma kwakhe angeke alikhiye because khona vele abazophuma. Asingene kanjalo. Masingena. Okay, we knock. Uyabuza ukuthi ubani. I have to give a pretense name. Uthi hayi wena unthabiseki.
Yeah.
Awukhumbula ukuthi bohleli nami izolo.
Yeah.
Obviously girlfriend izokwata ngithi mele
ngivula nayo.
Ayavula umnyango girl makavuka siyangena.
Yeah.
Hayi sanibona ninjani. I vele you need to keep cool. Asiraza ngithi because we don't want to draw attention and once we draw attention abomakhelwane bazovela, some will call the cops. We don't want that. I sangena kahle, grab a chair, sit down. Bafose ngifikile. Cela imali yami. Hayi ngithe ngizokunika wena understand abantu bayashonelwa. No. Ushonelwe it's fine. Askisi ukuthi ushonelwe. Mara ngisebusinessini. Mangihluthisa kwemlomeni uthi mina ngenze njani. Uyavuka manje kuseni. Uya emsebenzini. Ifridge yakhe igcwele. Mina nginabantwana nami bademanding. Ngizoyenza njani? Hayi uyabona naye ukuthi manje I can't fight this. So he's like, can we make an arrangement yokuthi ngizokubhadala kanjani?
Okay.
I'm like, I'm tired of making arrangements because angeke uwafulfill. So the only option I have now is to take a few things that are worth le malong kolotayo so that zizokuphusha ukuthi ubhadale. So girly, hi, angeke no baby girl. Asanga.
Yeah.
I see you now. And the bona asirasi because we don't want
Sabantu civilized.
as much as ngizithulele ngizihlekela, but
Yeah.
nami I've got
This
that
side.
side. So we're going to take a few things kuze ukwazi ukungibhadala, because obviously i-room ulibhadalile
Exactly.
mawakwazi ukungibhadala, ukudla unako, ipetrol yemoto unayo mara awakwazi ukungibhadala, and uthatha advantage because I'm a woman, because if it was a guy ngabe kudala, because uyazi ukuthi hayi abo bafo akancane ukulanda emsebenzini akancane ukuyenzana. So we have to take something valuable so that you can pay. Obviously ifoni uyasebenzisa for umsebenzi, ama-ID nama-license it's pointless. Uzoya police stations, affidavit and zilahlekile azithole futhi. So into besiyithathile bokuyi-fridge.
Nithathe nokudla.
Hayi ukudla kwakhe simkhiphele shame. Bekazabona ukuthi ufaka ku-cooler box or wenzani inyama. Because we can't take everything.
Yeah.
Hayi ukudla kwakhe shame simzwela. My sister phela uzodlani masihamba nokudla.
Uzazibonza kubo or bahlala bonke uzabona.
So yeah, sathatha i-fridge, sathatha i-TV, ne-soundbar. Because vele lezo bezizompusha ukuthi abhadale. And mind you, it didn't even take him 3 weeks. Ukusa komuntu.
Yeah.
It didn't even take him 3 weeks to pay back the money. Because ukusidelela nje ukuthi umuntu wesifazane akana plan ayikho into azoyenza. But at least I'm grateful for those guys because we managed ukuyithola loyo mali leyo. And obviously nabangeke uvele ukhipha abantu endleleni zabo mahhala. Ukubabonga ngibabongile.
Sekumele ukhiphe manje enye imali.
Exactly. And the interest ekhona obviously if you come and borrow 500, if my interest is 50% and you can't pay it that month, I need to add 50% on top of le bekumele kuyibuyise
With interest.
with interest.
Okay.
So it accumulates. Yikho maybe naye nje bese kabona ukuthi yabona manje angisakhoni because it was getting a lot. Mara he made a plan wayibhadala.
Okay. So bekaboleke malini initially, if you don't mind sharing?
Initially it was 6,000.
Yes, yes. So
yabo,
interest yakhona was 50%.
it's 50%.
So bekumele abuyise kwi-9,000. Share.
So yabona izinto esifacana nazo. Siyago.
Yeah. And then bese nize ne-van vele.
Vele siza ne-van.
Just in case.
Just in
ukuthi-
case kwamele ibe khona i-van.
Yeah.
Ngoba awazi into ohlangabezana nayo lapha. And you can't bring imoto ayazi or abayaziyo around that area because uzosesha jumpiselo ukuthi
Yeah.
labantu bakhona.
Umsebenzi mosle.
Umsebenzi.
Isimafia kahle kahle.
Nje
Hayi move it because now you have to plan. Shuthi kumele uhlale uneplan now.
kumele kuhlala uneplan.
Umashonisa ukuthi imali kumele uyilande kanjani and
Yeah.
with the guys.
Kumele kuhlala uneplan. Because monganalo they take advantage. Especially when you friendly. Ala kuza uyazihlekela mos.
Yeah. So azange athola amaclap nyana. Ngoba bekabiza delela shame.
Lo ngihamba nabo nje as I was saying mawubabheka.
Yeah, bayathusa.
Bayathusa.
So, okay.
So there's no need.
Ukuthi ungaze
Makaqala
utakata.
athi ebafo. Hayi
Yeah.
nawe uyabafona. Yabo. Yeah.
Okay, let's cut. Uma veg. Interesting, ne? The whole admin, the whole admin of now hiring abantu, yimoto,
You have
nalaba
to.
bakuscoutelayo. Should kumele bahlale baku-budget yakho kahle ngizokubuza leyo question. Okay, so ma uzoqasha abantu because I'm thinking about the whole admin. Ukuthi kumele uqashe abantu abazoscout, kumele uqashe igora lezi kumele zikhaphe transportation. So imali ohlala unayo oyibekile on the side just in case.
Yeah,
usoguliswa
uyayibeka because mara sometimes inokukuthola ungayicabanganga because umuntu okhona uyamthemba.
Yeah.
And then you have to make means ukuthi okay obange 15 mangibhadalile ithi ngizame ukulontuza ngithole labantu sihlanganise yabo. But in most cases abantu basakazi uyakhona ukuphilisana nabo nakhona ukukhulumisana ukuthi hayi kwamanje the budget is tight ngicela ukunibona ngelanga elinje ngoba vele sasebenzisana.
Okay, so your relationship oyibuildile with these people ne?
Yeah.
So your relationship oyibuilde usaqala, did you know ukuthi they'll get a point la uzofuna ukuqasha abantu abanjalo for ukuthi bakusize? Or it happened maso qhubeka with
No, it
business?
happened mase ngiqhubeka.
Okay.
Because vele angithi okay abantu engibajwayele but bekungase abantu engingacabanga ukuthi ngingasebenza nabo vele in the long run.
Okay.
Mara you know mase kushuba vele kwamele uhlanganise fast.
Yeah.
Because sometimes angeke ulanda umuntu wasendlini ngoba wasendlini you're trying to hide this thing from them. Imagine sokuboleka umuntu wasendlini athi zama ngiboleke i-5,000 uzoyithola seyine interest mase kumele akubhadala kutshela ukuthi phela wena wakithi ngizoyibuyisa the way ngiyithathe ngakhona. So lapho it's a loss because nami ngisemsebenzini.
And besides ukuhamba ukuyolanda umuntu kwakhe for imali yakho, are there other things you've tried doing mhlawumbe? Because I've seen now kunabantu abatrendayo on social media abapostwa bomashonisa because ababhadali, and I think that's like their last resort. Ukuthi hayi since angigolota lo ngiyomhlaza nje ku-Facebook la azobonwa khona. Is there something else you've done besides ukulanda umuntu?
No, after this thing yokulanda umuntu ne, I've decided ukuthi if a person borrows from 1,000 kuya phezulu, they must bring something that's valuable, that's going to
That
make them
amount. Okay.
so that as ukuthi ngithathe ini yakhe ihleli kimi manga ngibhadala I can take it to Cash Crusaders and get my money or sell it to somebody else ngithole imali yami. Because manje ngithi this is a gamble. The first person ongenze kanje umuntu ebengimthemba. Saying like we've built a relationship, we are working together. Uyaboleka uyabhadala. I didn't even have that thing ukuthi okay ngithathe something ezoyenza ukuthi imphushe ukuthi azobhadala. But now if it's from 1,000 ngaphezulu, definitely I need to take something.
Yeah, for security
For
now,
security
yeah.
reasons.
No, uyazinceda. And then since ni profilile lo muntu ne, obviously ni profilile nje khot. So now you've dealt with different customers. Can you mention the types of customers that you have dealt with?
Okay, there's those regular customers.
Okay.
Labo abahluphi nganex bayaboleka bayabuyisa. And then there's referrals.
Yeah.
My referrals, chances are askaka build a relationship.
Umazi ngumuntu,
Yeah. Like uzama uyaboleka, uzama ngimjwayele irregular lami. Kube nomuntu okukhalelayo. And then when you're like, no, I know this person uzokusiza because uhlala ngisiza. Mom refera kimi ngiyakubuza ukuthi uyomthemba kangakanani. Angithi uzoshona ukuthi hayi ngisebenza naye angeke akusogolise in. But kuba nalento leyo ukuthi zama because you referred someone to me. If that person fails to pay, it's on you.
Yeah.
Ngoba mina ngimazi. And angisafuna ukugembula nabantu engingabazi. Ngoba you can easily relocate. Uboleke imali mase kumele ngiyoyilanda ayo uthuthile akasahlala ngiyokuthola phi. And social media for mina, okay, it helps, it doesn't help because omunye uyazitshela vele ukuthi angeke ngimbhadale for ukuthi ungi-expose.
Sekangipostile futhi ya.
And omunye can maybe, I don't know if it's possible, aye police station avula case ukuthi ngiyamharaza. Mase ngiza obviously saying should I come in contact with you or do something kwakho. Also in case ngiyaboshwa. Yabo. So ezinye izinto we try to avoid them, but people push you to doing things ongazimiselanga uzenza.
Eish, bakukhiphe ku-character
Yazini.
manje sekumele ushaye ibhifu ungajwayelanga ukushaya ibhifu ngoba ufuna imali
unqaphe
yakho.
ungakwazi nokunqapha. Hawu. Sokhipha nenhlamba nje ongayazi na ukuthi
Yeah,
vele
ukuthi
Maria
ngidobhephi,
Phe.
yeah.
Yeah, sokwatile ngithi manje. Uvela nenhlamba ongayazi uzibuze after ukuthi yimvele lo.
Baba ngangizwe endlini bayosho ukuthi hey
Bayomangala ukuthi lo. Hayi futhi bangangiphikela.
Yeah,
Uthi hayi
bathi angeke
akusuye.
kusuye.
Namanga.
Yeah.
Akusuye. Ushubani? Hayi idlala ngayi.
All right, so the lesson oyifundile from ukuba umashonisa, and please advise abanye bomashonisa of any advice ongaba nayo mhlawumbe for bona, or tips mhlawumbe in running their business, mhlawumbe umunye khana qala, you know, and they need certain tips. Nalaba ababolekayo nabo, if you have any advice for them.
Ababolekayo, I'm not sure. Because lento le ifana ni drug. It's addictive.
Yeah,
Like once you start, it's not easy to stop.
yeah,
No, unless gay lo muntu lo yakutshela ukuthi mara kafana noma ngathi I draw the line angikufikisi la uzoya komunye umuntu, and asifani. Okay, mina I'm thinking ngenze ubulula ngokuthola imali yami. Some people take drastic measures to get their money. So ababolekayo, try not to borrow something that you can't afford to pay back. Zama ukuzilimita if possible.
yeah.
But siyazi ukuthi angithi economy yethu lesiphila kuyo ukuthi kunjani. Yeah, kunzima kakhulu. Ma umuntu angazihani. Makabolekele azi ukuthi definitely I'm going to be able to pay this back. Ngoba mase yiningi inzima.
And then abomashonisa.
Abomashonisa, for those who are starting, I think it's best value ukuthi njengoba ngisho ukuthi you bring something that's of value ukuthi if you can't pay me back I can sell it. Ngoba iyafana cell phones are easily replaceable. Ngakunika ifone yami 5,000 ngithengiswe nge-1,000. So ama-phone it's not right, at least ama-appliances, because they push you.
Hey, izinto zasendlini vele sisebenza every day.
Cabanga uzama sesijwayele ukuthi une-fridge ye-double door masifika akusane next ku-ems uyothila.
Sengikhipha isishebo
Qaba
kokukhula.
ungeke uze usikhiphe uzoba namahloni.
Ngizothi moshekile yolungisa ifridge.
Singayibonanga bayikhipha chobi. Ilandweni.
Yeah.
So yeah. Abaqalayo nje, they just need to stick to that ukuthi as in hold something of that value.
Yeah. And then one of the greatest lesson you've learned.
Ungathemba umuntu.
Yeah.
Noma bangathi irregular customer yakho don't. Awusathembi manje. Because these people take you out of character. Like you uphenduka ulaqhasha man. Mara ongashayani.
Yeah.
Ulaqhasha ngichaza.
Yeah, bekashaya.
Mara ongashayani bakuchinja kakhulu. Ugcina soba nenhliziyo embi onganayo.
Yeah. No, yazwakala. Thank you so much for sharing the story with us, because yes, these stories of mashonisa yeah, ni modern man, yes, ni laba modern ba manje laba postana ku Facebook
expose nje mubhekeni noma uhlangana naye ejwaleni abiza ama bottle girls sebafika bathi mali yami le.
Yeah. All right, thank you so much, Lethandro.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Siyathemba emakhaya nifundile because siyazi abantu abaningi baphila ngabomashonisa njengoba shilo uthando ukuthi economy yethu is very bad. But with that being said, siyacela ke ukuthi nibe responsible nabo banama families ekumele bawondle, so make sure that when you borrow imali from them you pay it back. If you can't communicate, at least ungabaleki, you know, iba decent. Yes, sekumele ulandele blue tick, blue tick guys, so please yeah. Ngicela babhataleni abantwana abantu hle before bazonithathela ama appliances, abanye baze bathatha ama drastic measures, because abanye they go as far as ukuthi baze bakususe nasendleleni. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.